Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain a common message that many iPhone users see while charging, and that is charging on hold. What does it mean? When your iPhone says charging on hold, it means your phone has paused charging temporarily. Why? Because of two main reasons. First, optimized battery charging. Apple added this feature to protect your battery health. It learns your daily routine and stops charging at 80%, then continues charging just before you usually unplug your phone. So if you are charging overnight, it will pause at 80% and resume charging in the morning. You can tap charge now on the screen if you want to continue charging immediately. Second reason, overheating. Sometimes if your iPhone gets too hot, especially while charging in sunlight or using heavy apps, the phone will pause charging to protect the battery. Now the question arises how to fix this. To fix it, go to the settings application. Once you are in the settings, swipe down and tap on battery. Now go to battery health and charging. Turn off optimize battery charging. Select turn off. Remember, it's better to keep this feature on for battery life. So guys, don't worry if you see charging on hold, it is not a fault. It's actually your iPhone trying to protect your battery. Just follow this simple step and you are good to go. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.